Karnataka has officially had the highest rainfall in May this year. Now, CM Siddaramaiah has directed ministers and officials to visit rain and flood-affected areas of the state. Instructions have been issued to district-in-charge secretaries and deputy commissioners of the state. The Chief Minister has called for a meeting of DC, CEOs and district-in-charge secretaries on the 30th and 31st of May to review the flood situation in the state. In view of the heavy rainfall that has been witnessed across Karnataka, Chief Minister Siddaramaiah has directed district-in-charge ministers and also secretaries to immediately visit flood-affected areas and oversee relief operations and take necessary precautionary measures. The Chief Minister has also ordered ministers and secretaries in the state to personally assess the situation in flooded areas and coordinate prompt relief efforts. In fact, deputy commissioners and district-in-charge secretaries have been asked to stay alert and respond to any damage or crisis with urgency and seriousness. To comprehensively review the situation, Chief Minister Siddaramaiah has instructed the Chief Secretary of Karnataka to convene a meeting of all DCs, Zilla Panchayat CEOs and district-in-charge secretaries on the 30th and 31st of May. My colleague Deepak Bopanna has details on this.
Finding permanent solutions is the demand of people of Bengaluru. Mr. Siddaramaiah right now, directing all district-in-charge ministers and the secretaries to ensure that they pay a visit to their respective districts, ensure that everything that is needed pre-monsoon in terms of desilting, in terms of ensuring that the encroachments are cleared or any sort of measures are employed at the earliest. We've seen the early onset of monsoon. Right now, the red alert and the orange alert around Dakshina Kannada continues. We've seen heavy rainfall lash even Kodagu as well. Bengaluru, we've seen the effects of how heavy rains can wreak havoc in the city. So to take precautionary measures, a meeting is also being called on the 30th of this month. Meanwhile, we should note that there are some important aspects to note here. As far as Bengaluru is concerned, around the city in BBMP limits in particular, about 201 locations have been identified. These are flood-prone areas. Now, as on May 26th, the update with the state government is that there are about 45 houses which have been fully damaged, about 1,385 houses that have been partially damaged. 99% of them have been made eligible for financial assistance from the state government is what I'm learning at this point in time. Separate funds will also be earmarked to tackle any sort of flood situation. So it's a detailed instruction that has been laid out by the Karnataka Chief Minister. We'll really have to see as far as implementation on the ground is concerned, whether that is done, with all honesty. The district-in-charge ministers that I've had a word with, they are saying that within this weekend, they will be visiting their districts. They will be taking stock of the situation and the preparedness on the ground as well.